Seaport. Seaport is a port company with a privileged and strategic location at the easternmost point of the Americas, close to the maritime routes in the South Atlantic, and is seeking visionary investors for a company with specific purposes, aiming at the construction and operation of a port terminal of private use. Located in the port basin of Cabedelo, in Brazil, Seaport has a suitable structure, area, and location for the construction and operation of a port terminal for private use, strategic and important for the national and international market. 11 reasons to invest with Seaport. First reason, Seaport is outside the port polygonal area. The construction of the Seaport private use terminal outside the polygonal port area will bring significant benefits in terms of flexibility and potential for innovation. Hiring independent labor, which are the costs with the greatest impact on port operations. Use of advanced technology for the implementation of new automated operating systems with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. International partnerships for the implementation of new services, equipment, and modern machinery. Exclusive agreements with large national and international shipping companies to establish port service contracts at competitive prices comparable to international ports. Second reason, Seaport will be an international transshipment port. The Seaport private use terminal will be an international transshipment port, that is, it will function as a cabotage logistics hub, facilitating the efficient movement of goods between different international shipping routes, optimizing the operability of large vessels, which will no longer need to make the distribution of cargo along the Brazilian coast. Third reason, Seaport will have excellent port access channel. The Seaport private use terminal project envisages a port access channel 8 miles long and 300 meters wide, with a regular depth of 20 meters, placing Seaport as one of the best, if not the best, port channel in Brazil. Fourth reason, Seaport has a port area protected from winds and sea currents. Protection against these natural elements minimizes the risk of accidents during the docking and undocking of ships, ensuring that logistical operations occur efficiently and safely. Fifth reason, Seaport has a large evolution basin and pier. Seaport's port evolution basin is 1,000 meters in diameter and has a pier with a 1,000-meter-long pier, facilitating port operations and maneuvers, which can be carried out efficiently, quickly, and safely. Sixth reason, Seaport has large area for container storage. With the capacity to store up to 35,000 containers, it has high economic and operational potential, eliminating the need for cabotage for large container ships, reducing bottlenecks in other ports and distribution centers. Seventh reason, Seaport will have ample storage capacity in silos. The project foresees the implementation of 41 port silos with a total capacity of 600,000 tons for storing different types of grains, such as wheat, soybeans, corn, barley, etc. Eighth reason, Seaport will have large automated cranes. 20 large automated cranes will be installed, including 12 automated cranes operating simultaneously, intended for loading and unloading containers on large ships, 4 automated cranes operating simultaneously for unloading and storing grain, and 4 more automated cranes operating simultaneously for unloading and storing ore. This crane structure provides a loading and unloading capacity of 20,000 tons per hour, reducing ship docking time, increasing logistical efficiency, and reducing costs associated with vessel waiting time. Ninth reason, Seaport has access to the railway mesh. The federal railway line passes practically at Seaport's doorstep, just a few meters from the main gate, and the project envisages the construction of interconnection branches within the Seaport port terminal, optimizing merchandise storage and distribution operations. 10th reason, Seaport will have the innovative bollard pull 85 triazimutal tuggets. The Seaport terminal project foresees the acquisition of 4 bollard pull 85 triazimuth tugs, which are an innovation in the maritime sector, with 3 azimuth thrusters that generate a static traction capacity of 85 tons in any direction, being ideal for operations where precision, safety, and strength are vital. 11th reason, experience and competence in seaport management. Ivan Miranda, 49 years working as a port practitioner and CEO of Seaport. Mr. Ivan Miranda, owner of Seaport, has worked as a port pilot for 49 years, and before him his father, Mr. Manuel Miranda, worked as a port pilot for 60 years, which totals more than a century of experiences and knowledge in this activity that is fundamental to the safety and efficiency of operations in ports.